Hey guys, it's me Prasad Vipara, your Indian consumer, and today we are going to talk about wallpapers. So yes, I had wallpapered my house, which I told you in my previous video, and I'm going to tell you about wallpapers and the Mumbai market, how it reacts to wallpapers and how the wallpaper industry is. So let's first take a look at the wallpapers. So if you're going for wallpapers and you want to try something new apart from painting your house, this is one of the options, one of the best options I feel you can go for. So wallpapers, here you can see this is the wide range of wallpapers which Mumbai market offers you, and after thorough research I have found that in Mumbai wallpapers range from around 16 rupees square feet to around 30 rupees or even 35 rupees per square feet. That is the rate of wallpapers here, which includes the wallpaper plus the labor charges and the treatment of the walls. So yeah, now speaking about the treatment of the walls have to be treated first before you paste the wallpapers onto it, and everything in detail I'll be covering in this video. So here I've shown you some sample of wallpapers, and these are the wallpapers which can be used for ceiling, and this is what I was talking about. The walls have to be treated, they have to be made plain. In order to do that, they use plaster of Paris. They even use the Birla wall putty if there are any leakage problems or there is water seeping into the walls. The surface has to be completely flat as to the wallpapers to stick onto the surface properly. So that is what you're seeing here in this video. The ceiling has to be done and treated similarly. So the person here in this video is treating the ceiling. He will completely make it flat. So if there are regions which have to be polished and which have to be sandpapered, that is also done. So here you can see the ceiling which was completely treated, and once the treatment has been done, then you can proceed with the sticking and pasting of the wallpaper. So this complete treatment can take about half a day, and this is the glue which is created. They can use powder glue which can be mixed with water and which converts into a paste like thing, or you can even use Fevicol. So this is the wallpaper, this is the roll. Now these rolls can range from 1000 rupees to around 2500 rupees. So one roll can cover about 55 square feet area of the wall. So the process is like this. First you have to take the measurements, then of course you have to cut the wallpaper, then you have to glue it and then stick it onto the walls. So well, here you can see the measurements have been taken. I even wallpapered my complete bathroom. So as these wallpapers are water resistant, of course you can clean them. You can use a wet cloth or even soap for cleaning these wallpapers. Here you can see the person taking the measurements, and once the measurements are taken as per the process, they have to cut it. This is how the glue is applied onto the paper. So the glue is put on the paper and then it is spreaded. Then the person has to stick the wallpaper. First he has to stick it completely, and then he can use a piece of plastic to flatten it and to fix it properly, to remove all the air bubbles. Removing all the air bubbles is very important in the wallpapering work. So here you can see the precision of the person, and this is how the glue is applied to the paper. And then accordingly, once the wallpaper is stuck into place properly, all the air bubbles have been removed, then it can be cut accordingly. Now the small things, all the electric sockets that you see inside, you have to cut grooves for it, which can be done very easily, as you can see here in the video. You can do all the modifications which are required when the wallpaper is wet. Once it is dried off, you can't do anything, so you have to be careful while doing that. The person has to be very skilled. Same thing you're seeing here again. Once he has stuck the wallpaper, then he does the cutting work, and then all the air bubbles are removed. And once the wallpaper is fixed properly onto the surface, they use a sponge to remove all the excess glue. Here you can see in one hand he is holding the sponge, and in the other hand he is holding the hard plastic to remove all the air bubbles. The wallpaper can very easily be cut into sections and you can cover all the area accordingly. So here is the finished product. This is how my house looked after completely it was covered with wallpaper. Now the advantages of applying a wallpaper are you get a texture which you won't get in normal paint. If you want a texture in normal paint, you will have to spend extra for that. Even paint will cost you some 25 to 30 rupees per square feet with all the treatment, and if you're going for luster or velvet paint. Whereas if you're using a wallpaper, it is costing you maybe less if you go for a cheap quality paper, or it can cost you more, but the thing which it saves is a lot of time is saved. So my complete work, the wallpapering of around 300 square feet area, was done in 2 days, only 2 days with the treatment. So first 1 day or half of a day is used in treatment, and rest 1.5 day or 1 day is used for the complete wallpapering work. So it is very fast. There is no dust or dirt produced in your house, so in that phase it is very helpful. Plus you can cover the wallpapers twice or even thrice, so you don't have to scrape out the wallpaper when you have to do the next wallpapering work. So in that ways also it is very nice, very convenient, and it gives a nice texture to your walls. So these are all the beneficial things, and after my experience now I feel I won't go for a paint job in the coming years. I will definitely stick with wallpapers, and I have really liked wallpapers. My take will be I will prefer wallpapering any day over paint. Well guys, this was Prasad Vidparak, your Indian consumer, signing off. Thank you.